my channel and welcome to another Sunday Cook with me. Well, today we're going to be talking hot summer weather, birthday parties, pool parties, cookouts, and all those goodies. But there's something that's a really good addition to your birthday parties, pool parties, and so on, and that's a nice, fun dessert. Now, I think probably raise your hand if you have had one of those walking tacos, I think they call them, where you have a Fritos bag and you put all of your taco fixings inside the Fritos bag. Have you had one of those? I haven't actually had one. I've had lots of tacos, but not in the taco bag, so it'll be kind of fun to try. But we're not going to make that today. We're skipping ahead to dessert, but we're going to still walk and talk. Today we're going to make a walking strawberry pretzel salad, Jell-O, strawberry pretzel Jell-O salad. And it's going to be fun. It's a great addition to, I would say, like a pool party or a birthday party. Now, if you have like your 9 to 13-year-olds, I'd probably make these up in advance in the house and just bring them out all ready to grab one and walk away. But if you have an adult gathering, it'd be a nice thing to have your pretzels ready and then create sort of a lazy Susan effect around a bowl of the pretzel bags with all of the fixings. And your company can take and put whatever fixings they'd like to have in their salad. So let me take you down to the counter. This isn't really a recipe. It is, but it isn't. It's more of a technique, and I'll show you how to make a walking Jell-O pretzel salad, strawberry. Back in a second. Okay, here's the ingredients you're going to need for your Jell-O salad. Jell-O strawberry pretzel, whatever. Now I'm making just 2, so I'm going to use some little pre-made cups. This is the strawberry gelatin, and this is vanilla pudding. Now you can do the same thing, or make a box of vanilla pudding and a box of Jell-O if you have a crowd. And I also have some fresh strawberries and some pretzels. I'm using these little bean pots to stand them up in, but these are like the little mini pretzels, and they're the 100-calorie bags. They're not too big. Now, the one thing that I find problem with is it tells you to turn this down a little bit, one fold or so. Every time I try to do it, I rip the bag, so I don't even bother to turn it down. But I have a bag of pretzels that I have crunched up. Actually, I have 2. We're going to make 2, one for Bob, one for me. Okay. And the last item that you're going to need is some whipped cream. So let's see how easy this is. You're going to start off by putting, and I haven't got this one open yet. You're going to bunch up your bag of pretzels. I've already done that one. Okay. Okay, let's put a nice dollop of vanilla pudding in the bag. I think I can make the 2 of them with this one little container. I have more. Okay. Now we're going to take a nice scoop of strawberry Jell-O that in the bag. A little bit left here, I'm not going to leave it. Okay. Next we'll take some nice fresh strawberries. Fill that in the bag. Pretty good. I got a couple of tablespoons worth. And you could use frozen strawberries if you can't get fresh. And I'm going to top it with some whipped topping. Almost the end of my whipped topping. And there you have it, look at that. Now, I could put like a strawberry on the top. And I took another bag of the pretzels and ground them up, make a few little pretzel pieces. Look at that, doesn't that look nice, huh? So that's all there is to it. That was a really easy peasy summer dessert. And I bet delicious that I'm going to try it for you and find out. So give me a second and I'll get a spoon. I'll be right back. Before I do the taste test, I thought I'd show you how you could line these all up in a pretty dish to put out on your table. And these, of course, have not been opened and crushed and everything, but a good idea. But let's get a taste. Sorry, I have my glasses off in a second. There I am, back to me. And here's my walking Jell-O Strawberry-Pretzel salad. I'm going to try to get down and get some of everything. There you go. Strawberries, pretzels. Is there anything better than salty and sweet together? That is so good. Got a couple of nice strawberries, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You've got to make these. Such fun. And so easy. So that's about it. How easy was that? No cooking involved. And a really cute, fun dessert to have for your pool parties. So that's all I have for you for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Tell me if you've ever made these before. And what's your favorite pool party dessert? And I will see you again on Wednesday. Wednesday is craft day. We'll be doing a wreath this Wednesday. So until then, I hope everybody has a great afternoon, evening, morning, night, whatever time of day it is for you. Stay safe, stay cool, stay warm, stay dry. And everybody play nice now. Love you. Bye-bye.